Shri Mataji, dear brothers and sisters. This is a quick demonstration about using Ustream for your purposes of connecting to your fellow seeking youth. And this is a small presentation that I'll use to introduce Ustream TV to you, in case you don't know. A real quick overview. Ustream is YouTube for live video. So people are doing basically the same thing they used to do with YouTube, which is putting a camera on their cat or dog or puppies and streaming it, and that's a great hit. And it is quite mobile. Here's an example of this guy Kevin Rose streaming on Ustream from a Virgin Airlines flight. Although I should tell you that the iPhone viewer for Ustream, I thought it worked for all programs, but it doesn't. So people still need a computer to watch your channel. There is an iPhone application for watching Ustream stuff, but they only show featured shows and selected shows, so that's not very good. I hope they start giving you the choice of selecting any show in the world on the iPhone or the iPod Touch. That would be really cool. Anyways, so that's the scenario with Ustream. This is our yogi meditations, and we have close to 7,500 people coming in from 75 countries over a period of just half a year or so. FreeMeditation.tv is a project that is built for seekers, and you can check out how things come together. We have the Ustream webcast going on, and additionally we have a Meebo chat going on so that anyone who is in can interact with you. And this is a very good combination of interactivity to have, and it usually requires more than one person because it's a tremendous cognitive load on your brains to just run the Ustream show, just have the webcast going, and somebody else doesn't have to be sitting with you, it could be in another city, can be monitoring the chat and answering questions or providing technical troubleshooting. So for the new peoples, we have live chat embedded with the Ustream webcast, and for yogis we just have an email form because yogis are cool, low maintenance, really nice, forgiving people. So that's your call. Whether Ustream has its own chat function, which is terrible in my experience. It may have improved, but as far as I know, it's bad. This is our old website. I haven't updated this slide, but this is where you can also find the Yuva meditation room. But I recommend creating a room for the US eventually on perhaps FreeMeditation.tv. You can have FreeMeditation.tv. You can have a subdomain, perhaps something like youth.freemeditation.tv or something. So let me know and we'll work it out. It's super easy to do. Getting your sound into Ustream is a very interesting question. If you have a Macintosh, it's super easy to do because the built-in microphone of the Macintosh computers, the iMacs, the MacBook Pros or the MacBooks, is really good. In fact, I'm recording this using the inbuilt sound card, inbuilt microphone, and it works great. So if you have a MacBook, it's super easy. You have a CD player, a boombox by you, and you have your voice. The trick is how to mix those two things so that they are loud enough and the music or whatever else you're playing on the boombox or your deck is not too loud and drowning you out. So that technical part on how to balance your sound is going to come up later when I do a live demonstration of running a Ustream show. And you have to use a separate computer or a different friend in a different room or wearing headsets on a different computer to monitor the sound. If you run your show on the same computer where you are streaming out from, it's going to produce terrible feedback loops, and that means echoing, and that is undesirable. So have your testing computer separate, have your broadcasting computer separate, and you will be very, very happy. Now I'll shortly get into the demonstration part, and we'll explore how Ustream looks, some of the basic concepts. The help side of Ustream is great if you want to do advanced stuff, like if you want to share a PowerPoint or a video. It's really easy to do if you're on a Mac, because there's a free program called CamTwist for Mac, and I will demonstrate that in the last part of this video because it's an advanced feature, but it's a really cool feature. On PCs, I'm not sure if you have something similar for free. So you would basically do you can still do broadcast of video, but that will cover in the advanced section. Right now the focus is on broadcasting audio. Let's see. Alright, so we are done with the introduction part. Now let's get our hands dirty or clean.